During this class, we're gonna work with the gas sensor. The gas sensor, as its name implies, detects the amount of a gas that is in the air. For this, I already have a circuit prepared on TinkerCad. As you can see, the circuit consists of my usual Arduino, the gas sensor that is this component over here, and three LEDs that we're gonna use to indicate the amount of gas that is in the environment. The three LEDs can be of any color you want, but I recommend you to put it as red, yellow, and either blue or green to indicate the level of intensity, where red will be the strongest or more harmful one. Each of our LEDs is connected in the usual way, with one resistor connected to a positive side that goes to a digital pin of the Arduino, in this case pin 13 for the red LED, and with the negative side connected to a ground line that goes out of our Arduino ground pin. The functionality of the circuit will be as follows. If I start a simulation, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the sensor and you will see this little cloud of gas that appears. If you move the cloud closest to the sensor, this will be as the sensor is detecting more and more of the gas. If I put it right in the middle, as you can see here, the LED will turn red. Whether if I start to move it away, let's say to this point, then the yellow LED will turn on, indicating that the gas is not as near as it was previously. And if I move it further away, let's say up to this point, a little bit closer, you will see that the third and final LED will bright, indicating that the gas level is very low. So be careful on not to move the gas cloud very far away, because for example at this distance the gas sensor will not detect anything. You have to be in the greatest part of the cloud, in the middle part of the cloud, or in the border of the cloud for the LEDs to turn on. Okay, if you move the cloud away from the sensor, it will not work because the gas level will be very low for the circuit to detect that. How how the gas is measured? Okay, if I go to my code over here, you will see that it is printing some values. Okay, this is the values of the gas that it is measuring. Okay, so if I put my cloud in the closest part to the sensor, you will see that the red LED will turn on, indicating a, a quantity of 693. If I move it a little further away, where the yellow LED turns on, you will see that the value that it's indicating now it's 485. And if I move it to the border, you will see that now the value has changed to 377. And if I move it totally away from the sensor, you will see that the the value will change to 273. Okay, these values are determined in our conditions that you will see in the instructions for building the sensor.